It would be monochromatic look, and it's just these trousers are from Zara. Top is probably also from Zara, and but you can get this from ASOS. You can get it from all the small little places, from Mango as well. You can get it. So I would just put this together. To break up the color a bit, I could add black belt or a brown belt in another shade. Even just like that on its own, this outfit looks good, but when we take the blazer, let's add a belt in the same colorway. I think that is working even better. So just by adding the blazer, we actually have a completely new outfit that is so easy to wear for and I think this is a look that you can reach out for a lot. You can wear it even if you wear it twice a month. No one will ever really say you're wearing the same thing because the look is totally different. If you take off the blazer, you still have a very good look. You still have a very good base, and this is a base you can. When you take off your blazer, you're still looking good. So this for me is a look that I would put together, that I would pull out a lot. Is this something that you would wear? You can share in the comments if this is something that you would probably reach out for, something that you're going to look. These are just nudes that just work very well for, I think, for every skin tone. What do you think? What do you guys think? Do you think this is an outfit that you would like? This is an outfit that you would reach out for quite a lot. I will try to link similar items if I can find them, because I definitely know that this is something that you need in your wardrobe. You can even wear it to a dinner. I think this is a look that will still say I'm coming from the office, but I'm also ready to just have a nice good meal in a nice good restaurant. The next look that we put, that just works, it just makes sense. White and nude. This is a look that is so easy to put together. You have your pleated skirt with its structure to the outfit, and then the skirt is midi, white pumps, your blazer, which the combination, this is a great combination to actually try. It's a great combination to wear all the time. So I think that this would be spring ready. The skirt is really flirty, it's really spring-like, and the blazer together, they just make a very good combo. And for the accessories, you probably can probably do a plain white, which would also go very well with that, or you can do a bit of a little brown with it, brown and a bit of beige or cream. I think I would probably quickly reach out for the white, because I think the white just makes it look more elevated, but also I think this, whichever one it is that you like, I think both of these would even go together. So I think this is an easy look. This is just a good color combination. You can wear this to the office as well. You can wear it girls brunch. You can wear it for a brunch, as a brunch outfit. So I think this is one for the books as well. What do you guys think so far? Do you like the video? Do you like what we're doing here, all the little outfits that we're putting together so that we are spring ready. If you like anything, just leave a comment below of which one you like, and yeah, and share it to your friends as well, because I think that this video is really a nugget for all the outfits that will make us spring ready. You don't even need to think a lot, just save the video, and whenever you feel like you're in a jam, just take it out, and then you know that you already have some outfits that you can try for the whole week. And if you also wanted to try the hack that all the girls have been doing for winter, is just to put your scarf over the blazer, tie it on the side, move it around a little bit, and change back, change heels, put the scarf on, and you have a whole new outfit. What do you guys think? Are you gonna try this little hack? I think this actually just adds a bit of color to the look. And if you're a color girl like I am, you always need to have a bit of color in your wardrobe. So I have a base of just a simple skirt and a t-shirt. Both of these are also from Zara. Some kitten heels, and then you just add the blazer on top. And you've got a look that is colorful but also very elegant, very stylish. You have a bit of your color, and then you balance it out with your blazer. So I think that this is a look that you would also reach out for. It's easy, it's not complicated at all to put together, and it's something that you will probably have in your wardrobe. A small little skirt, a t-shirt, and your blazer. Let me show you what I mean. Let's try that. Let's try this together. So the brooch would go right there. I think you see the vision with this look. You still got your color, you have your blazer, you made more stylish by adding the brooch, and it's a look that we just created something together. Thank you guys. The creative juices just came out. So I think you see the vision with this look. You still got your color, you have your blazer, made more stylish by adding the brooch, and it's a look that we just created something together. Thank you guys. The creative juices just came out. So to keep it in the same tone, I would just add another bag that is in the same colorway, and let the color, the red, pip through and blend together with the kitten heels. And I think that this look is just saying, yes, I actually am very stylish. I know what a time it is. I can make an outfit or two out of one outfit. So what do you guys think? This is something that you would try to just put the lapels together, add a brooch, add some chunky jewelry, and we have a complete look that is so easy to put together. You just have your t-shirt inside, the little skirt, and you're good to go. And you can change this up to take it from day to night just by turning the lapels around. What do you guys think? This is something that you would try. I actually like the way the colors are blending together. I like the way the outfit just came together. It's so easy, and it's something that you can just do in the bathroom on your way out from work as you go for your cocktails. Add a bright lippy to the look. your blazer. And you're good to go. You're ready. You are stylish. You just grab your shopping bag. Grab your shopping bag and this is such a quick and easy errand look. If you are having a bad headache, again, you can reach out for your cap and there you are. If you want to change up the look, for lunch with the girls, change the bag and you have yourself a look that is easy. You can go from lunch with the girls, coffee date, and then just go and do your errands. To just look up a bit, I would add some chunky jewelry, some chunky necklace, and I have a look that is unapologetic, that is simple but yet stylish. This is a very simple, quick and easy, get out of the house kind of look. The next base that we have is a long skirt, blue shirt, and we add our blazer. You see how the look is just coming together so easily, so quickly. You can even button it up if you want. If you're going for a more structured look, you can button it up, or if you just want to leave it loose, you can, because this shirt is cinched in, so it gives us character, it gives us a bit more sophistication. So for me, I like to cinch in a lot of stuff because then it shows my waist. And I just added some chunky heels with that look to lift up the skirt a little bit more. And what do you guys think? Do you think this is a look that you would wear? I can just wear my bag as a clutch, tuck in my and I think that's an easy look. If you wanted to wear it, you can wear a blue bag, or you can just wear even white, because I still think that even just a white bag would still go with the look. What would you choose? Would you choose something with a bit more color, or would you with a bit more print, or would you choose something that is plain? For me, both of these bags work. Another white and blue combo, but this time we are wearing pants and a blue shirt, different color blue, and just to give you an idea that all the blues will probably work with the caramel jacket. We still take our blazer. For this look, I chose a brown bag to just work together with the white and the blue, and because brown always just really works together with brown and white, so, with blue and white. So yeah, still added the blazer. The blazer still looks stylish with the blue. It is working well with the white. I can button it up if I wanted, or I can just leave it loose. So this is a blue and white and beige colorway. I think this color combo is one that I would reach out for quite a lot, because then it just looks elevated, looks elegant for the office. The next look we're going is an all brown look, brown as the base, and I have this skirt from Zara, top Zara. I can wear this during the daytime or I can wear it at night, and to make, if I wanted to wear it a bit more stylish, I would add some thigh-high boots, because they I don't even know what to say about this outfit. It just came together so easily. I am wearing base with the brown, just some thigh-high boots, just give the look a bit more structure. I have just put the blazer on the top. Don't really want to wear it, so because this is just an outfit that we are putting together last minute. We're rushing out. We don't. Everyone is waiting for us. We just want to be stylish. So, what do you guys think? Is this something that you would take a look? And it's a look that will still have all eyes on you. I have just added minimal gold accessories. If I wanted, I would just okay. And for the bag, I would go with this Michael Kors little bag. Still with the brown glass. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope this is something that you will be saving, so that you can always refer to it. You can share it with your friends, because I think that all these blazer looks that we have created here just help us to actually know that we always can have one base, one thing. I think this is the first color that you would get, and because I think it goes with a lot of things. And as we have seen here, that you have a lot of outfits that you can come up with. You can even make from one outfit, you can even make 2 to 3 just by changing the shoes and the bag. So I think that this video, I hope it has been helpful for you, and I hope this is something that you can refer to all the time. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also comment which was the outfit that you like the most. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. It does help the channel so that we can always produce videos together. Thanks guys. Have a lovely month.